Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. I'm back. I know I've been away, right? So if you're new to my channel, before I get going, please subscribe, smash the like button if you like this content, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, which there will be tons, and share this with your friends and family if you like. But really, this is just like a I'm coming back video, no content. So look, if I know some of you haters might be like, I just get to the content. If you're one of those people, you might want to turn the channel, because this is just a channel to say I'm back to my subscribers and to my new viewers. Hey, hang with me. I have made enough content out there. You can check out some of those videos. But look, I got married and I moved, and so a lot going on. And but I'm back. I'm gonna be. You guys gonna see a ton of content here coming up in the next 2 to 3 days. So please, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get that content. But just wanted to show you around my new digs. First of all, let me talk about my marriage. My beautiful bride, my queen. She is my queen. I call her queen. I am so fortunate and I'm so lucky to have found the one, and she's the greatest love of my life. I love her. Um, and we were fortunate enough to buy this new home. And I just wanted to kind of take you guys around my office a little bit. So look, hey, that award back there I got from Ford in 2001, Blue Oval certified for the first time when I used to own a Ford dealership. Back there in the corner back there, that is from Walzer Chevrolet. They did a front page a motoring expose on me. I was 35 years old, and I was a general sales manager. My chair, my office. Oh yeah, this is that bag back there. That is from the Grammys. Actually, I was fortunate enough. Thank you, Dan Stevens, my guy, who's a voting member. Went to the Grammy Awards twice. And as you see, I don't have much natural lighting just because of the trees back there. But and then that's my whiteboard with ideas coming up and content coming up. My sofa that my wife hooked up for me, and you can see my lights and my. Let's go. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go back around this way. My lights and my computer and my monitor. So let me take you over here. Let me see if I can show you this. This is another one. I haven't put any of my football stuff up yet, though. I got to put some of that up yet. This is when that same store, you see me, the big, tall, goofy looking guy over here, on and built a new dealership. And here I go again with all my employees. Once again, that's the goofy guy here. So I just wanted to kind of take you around my new office, show you my new digs. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Look out for new content coming to you soon. Hey, also too, on a serious note, I just want to say thanks for all my subscriber and clients who were subscribers and still subscribers for reaching out. I know some of you know that I am still battling prostate cancer, but I feel good. I'll go back tomorrow for a checkup, for an update, but I'm doing fine. Just got married about 4 or 5 days ago, and life is good. Look, on another serious matter, please be safe, wear a mask, stay 6 feet away. The pandemic's still here. It's not gone away. I know we may have cabin fever and the coronavirus fatigue, but please be safe. Don't take it lightly. But look, that's all. I just wanted to tell you that I'm back, and thanks for guys for staying with me. Hopefully you guys haven't moved on. Are you cheating on me with another creator? No, I'm just kidding. There's a lot of good creators out there, and big ups to them for doing it and doing it for free. And we put time in. Look, to all the haters, stop telling me to get to my content, because from now on, I'm going to take my time with my videos. And if I got a few things to say before my videos start, I'm going to say it. So I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not. Sorry, not sorry. I'm going to take my time. And one thing I could say too is that, sometimes when I talk to a lot of people and they say, oh, I watched 10, 25, 30 videos. Look, sometimes stop watching so many videos. Just start something. If you want to start doing your credit, start doing your credit, repairing your credit, working on your credit, getting to be an authorized user. Stop watching 50 videos. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, but look, once you get enough information and you think you can make a more intelligent decision, then start what you need to start. And also too, look, I want to say thanks for all you guys for purchasing my products, my ebooks, my PDFs, and the people who have signed up with me one-on-one. I mean, man, you guys have kept me, uh, kept me going through this coronavirus since March. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you so much, and I can't say enough how humbled I am by you guys signing up with me. I get so many people say, "Hey, Mr. Hill, or Tony, I saw your video. You seem so genuine, and I want to sign up for your personal and small business credit coaching." Any of the things I do, you could find in the description below um, to do any of those things, and if they help you, great. I also too just so many comments, just so many comments. People saying, "Oh, Tony, I tried your disputing online. I got something deleted in an hour, or 2 days, or 3 days, or 4 days. And it works. I got 5 things off," and that makes me feel good. And this is why I do the free content. So I just want to say thank you so much. Um, that content's coming soon, so make sure you subscribe. And most of all, like I said, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. The content that I'm gonna be bringing you for. This is just a feel good. Tell you that I'm back. Sorry about being off for a month, but I'm back. So I want to say thank you. I love you guys, and I appreciate you. Okay, peace. We'll see you very soon. Coming out. All right, bye.